up, good people? Huge shout out to Checker Flat Porsche for allowing me to view the 2024 Porsche Taycan. Experience the pinnacle of electric luxury with the 2024 Porsche Taycan GTS. Dressed in a captivating ice gray metallic, this masterpiece blends breathtaking design with engineering excellence, standing tall at 54 inches and stretching 195 inches in length, while its 114 inches wheelbase and 5 inches ground clearance ensures unparalleled driving experience. The Taycan is a pure expression of a Porsche electric sports car with striking proportions, timeless and instant recognizable design, and a perfect blend of performance and everyday usability. Also, this has an MSRP of $170,000. The Taycan GTS is powered by a relentless permanent synchronous motor performance battery, unleashing an awe-inspiring 590 horses and an instant torque surge of 626 pound-feet of torque, with a blistering top speed of 155 and a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 accelerating in just 3.5 seconds. Step into luxury as you enter the Taycan GTS, where sleek black leather seats embrace you with unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Feel the craftsmanship in every stitch as you settle into the driver's seat, ready to command the road ahead with style and elegance. Right here we're looking at a 16.8 digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH, on the right you have your audio, in the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you configure your cluster gauge, go through your G-forces, traffic sign, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your voice command with your favorites. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with your drive mode. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your power button. You have your cruise control settings. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your Shifttronic. This particular model is a 2-speed transmission. Right here we're looking at a 10.9-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Right here we're looking at an 8.4-inch center console control panel where the trunk charging port door can also be open and closed from here. The charging display, the battery charging status can also be viewed. The buttons right here are your moonroof control where you can be matte, semi, bold. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats. You have your air vents with your heated seats. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that, 17.2 cubic feet. Wow, this is spacious. You can put a couple of golf clubs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Checker Flag Porsche for allowing me to review the 2024 Porsche Taycan. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.